Do you confirm that Alan Lim, Wen Li Shen, and Wei Sean Lin refer to one and the same person?
No, Madam.
No. Who among these names is your husband?
Lin Wishong.
Lin Wei Sean. Lin Wei Sean.
Lin Wishong, Madam.
Lin Wei Sean.
Yes po, with G.
I understand that there are English names which are being used by Chinese. Does your husband have one?
He's using Lin Wishong.
Lin Wei Sean. But that is a Chinese name, tama
Yes
ba?
po, opo.
So wala ba siyang ginagamit na English name?
Some of his friends call him Jeffrey po.
Apat na. In the face of the testimony of Colonel Asierto that Alan Lim, Wen Li Shen, and Lin Wei Sean refer to one and the same person, what evidence can you offer to us to counter this testimony of Colonel Asierto?
I have my marriage contract that stated my only husband is Lin Wishong.
Okay.
Not Alan Lim, not another Wen Li. Sorry, what's...
Apart from the marriage contract, ma'am, what else can you offer us?
I only have our marriage contract with me here.
I mean, for a big-time businessman who owns a lot of real properties, not only in the Philippines, but even abroad, I'm sure that you have an ample documents to offer us so we can rule out the allegation of Colonel Asierto that these three names refer to one and the same person, and that is your husband.
Maybe I can, if it is okay, the ECR card of my husband.
ACR?
Yes. And also, if possible, passport that my husband is Lin Wishong.
May we know how many passports does your husband have?
Only one.
Is it a Philippine passport or a Chinese passport?
Chinese passport po.
Chinese passport. So, in no case did he obtain any Philippine passport?
No po.
What other documents, ma'am? We have here your marriage contract, the ACR, the Chinese passport. Maybe we can include also the birth certificate of your children?
Yes po.
How about the business permit?
Business permit, our companies po kasi, ang mga business po namin is under the company's name.
Yes, can you please mention to us what business names are you using for your business operations?
Yeah, we have XRL.
XRL?
Yes po. We have Pile, na nandun po yung pangalan niya.
Pile?
Yes po, Pile Estate and Pile Holdings.
Pile Estate and Pile Holdings. And then?
Yan lang po yung may mga pangalan po siya na as I remember right now po.
Mr. Chair, I respectfully move that we request the submission of these documents from Ms. Rose Nono Lin, the marriage contract, the ACR, the Chinese passport, the birth certificate of the children, and may I include the financial statement of XRL and the Pile Estate and the Pile Holdings, along with the articles of incorporation, ma'am?
Madam, it's okay po ba na makahingi po ng list ng mga hinihingi nyo sa akin para wala po akong makaligtaan?
Mr. Chair, we will be requesting the COMSEC to provide her the list of the documents that we will be requesting from Ms. Rose Nono Lin.
COMSEC, please provide the list to Ms. Lin.
Mr. Chairman, with the indulgence of Congresswoman Luistro.
Yes, SDS Gonzales.
Mr. Chairman, Ma'am Rose Donolin, can we invite your husband para sa hearing na to? At kayo po ang magdala ng imbitasyon niya. Pwede niyo po isama rito yung husband niyo?
Mr. Chairman, right now po, out of the country po siya.
Alam po namin yon, sinabi mo sa akin kanina. Nasa Hong Kong siya.
Yes,
Pero
Mr.
kung
Chair.
i-invite po namin, kayo ang mag-hand carry ng imbitasyon at asawa niyo po yan, siguro po pwede niyo isama dito sa hearing yung husband niyo para once and for all, matanong po natin siya.
Mr. Chair, pwede ko po dalhin yung invitation. But I can't promise po na sasama po siya sa akin para po sa pagdinig dito.
Bakit po?
Ay, hindi ko pa po alam kung ano yung maging desisyon niya, Mr. Chair.
Palagay ko po kung may imbitasyon naman po itong Quadcom na to, palagay ko naman po pupunta. Kasi para once and for all malaman natin. Or, baka po kayo, Madam Rose Nonolin, hindi nyo alam kung ano pangalan ng husband nyo.
Mr. Chair, Lin Wishong po ang pangalan ng husband ko.
Ano po?
Lin Wishong.
Kaya nga, sa alam nyo, baka yun ang pangalan. Pero sa pagsasama nyo, ilang taon? Ilang years na po kayo magkasama?
Almost 15 years.
Almost 15 years. So almost 15 years, hindi nyo po alam talaga ang pangalan ng asawa nyo.
Ang alam ko po na pangalan ng asawa ko, Mr. Chair, Lin Wishong po.
Anyway, Mr. Chairman, we will just invite the husband of Madam Rose Nonolin. Ay, invited na ba?
Yes, he was invited previously, and I think for today's committee hearing, he was also invited.
Ipapadala natin sa kanya.
We will be acting on that invitation later when before the committee adjourns this committee hearing, Your Honor.
Mr. Chair,
So, please proceed.
I wish to further request Ms. Rose Nonolin that with respect to the Chinese passport, if this is similar to a Philippine passport, she submit not only the information page, but also the thumb mark page and the signature page, Mr. Chair. Mr. Chair, if Ms. Rose Nonolin is generous enough to provide information, may we hear from her as well? Ano po ba ang mga business establishments nyo abroad?
Mr. Chair, kung okay lang po ba na yung mga businesses namin abroad, hindi, or pwede ko ibigay sa inyo through writing?
Can you please at least cite the names of your business establishments abroad?
Mayroon po kaming taxi company sa Hong Kong.
May we know the name?
It's Plus Elegance po.
Plus Elegance. What else, ma'am?
Mr. Chair, it's okay lang po ba na yung mga businesses sa abroad po namin na hindi naman po konektado po sa pagdinig na ito? Hindi na po.
I understand, Ms. Rose. However, we're trying to help you rule out the allegation of Colonel Asherto that these three names pertain to one and the same person. And I'm sure that you will be happiest to prove na hindi nga siya itong Alan Lim at itong Wen Le Shen. Tama po ba?
Madam Chair, magsasubmit naman po ako ng mga hiningin po ninyong documents. Pero ang hinihingi ko lang po ay sana yung mga properties namin abroad at businesses, hayaan na po natin po doon.
Yes,
For
I understand.
protection na rin po.
We are only trying to establish the identity because it is very hard to investigate on a certain person with three names, and we have here Colonel Asherto who's strongly testifying that this pertained to one and the same person, and that refers to your husband. So I think you should take advantage of this opportunity, Ms. Rose, to offer all these documents, to offer all this information so we can rule out the allegation of Colonel Asherto.
Madam, ang sabi naman po ni Colonel Asherto, if may I po, ang sabi niya po simula 2016, hindi na po nagpakita a certain Alan Lim. Ang asawa ko po nandito, kaaalis niya lang po last May. So ibig sabihin po noon, kung hindi nagpapakita a certain Alan Lim, ang asawa ko po nagpapakita. So ibig sabihin po noon, hindi siya si Alan Lim.
But to be able to further prove that allegation of yours, I think the documents will be of big help to rule out this allegation of Colonel Asherto. Meanwhile, may I go back to Colonel Asherto, Mr. Chair? Colonel Asherto,
Opo, ma'am.
what proof do you have
Okay.
that Alan Lim, Wen Li Shen, and Wei Shon Lin refer to one and the same person? I remember during the hearing of dangerous drugs, that is prior to Quad, you even shared some slides of passports. If you still have
Meron po.
these documents.
Meron pa rin po akong kopya ng kanyang passport na ini-issue noong 2011 po yata yun.
So can you please enlighten us, Colonel Asherto, what proof do we have?
Yung passport niya po, nakakuha po ako ng kopya ng passport niya.
Philippine passport
Inisyo
po ba
ng-
ito o Chinese passport?
Chinese passport po.
Chinese
Inisyo
passport.
nung March 14, 2011, inisyo dito sa Maynila. Ang expiry niya is 13 March 2021.
2021.
Opo, ang passport number is Gold 47972221.
Colonel, I remember we flash it in the screen. You share it before, during the hearing of the dangerous drugs. Pwede po ba ulit nating ma-share yun sa committee so we can share it with Ms. Rose Nono Lin?
Hindi ko po alam kung paano i-share sa inyo. Baka meron pong kopya yung secretariat po.
Well, the Secretariat will just get in touch with you, Colonel Asherto. Aside from the Chinese passport, what other proof do you have which lead to your conclusion that these three names pertain to one and the same person?
Ang pinaka-basis ko po is yung information ng anong asset, saka itong nakuhang mga dokumento, yung mga pictures, at hindi naman po ako gagawa ng kasinungalingan na report na maglalagay sa akin sa alanganin na pati po ang mga kasamahan ko na damay.
Colonel,
So ako po ay sigurado.
yun pong
Sigurado po
Chinese-
ako 100%.
Yun pong Chinese passport na binanggit nyo, does it bear the picture of Alan Lim?
Opo, may picture po siya.
And if you compare it with the pictures that were flashed po kanina in the screen, Secretariat, can you please assist Colonel Asherto? Colonel, marunong ho ba kayong mag-zoom ng picture?
Subukan ko po.
Secretariat, can we please flash all
Ang
together
alam ko po,
the
ang alam ko
pictures
po, meron ng
earlier
kopya
and the
ang
picture in
Secretariat.
the Chinese passport?
ang alam ko po na ipasa ko na po yata ito eh.
Okay. So, Secretariat, I hope we can there. So, this is the Chinese passport bearing the picture of, what is the name written in the passport, Colonel?
Lin Wenqiong.
Lin Wei Song. This is your husband,
Opo.
Ma'am Rose. This is your husband?
Madam Chair, pangalan po ng husband ko. Yan ang nasa passport.
How about the picture?
Pwede po pa-flash ulit and then pwede pa-zoom po.
Kindly flash the passport again. Paki-zoom daw po. Secretariat, please zoom the picture.
Yes, Mr. Chair. Siya po.
So you confirm that this is your husband.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Can we flash the other documents which Colonel Asherto has shared with us already? Colonel, ito ho bang passport na ito ho ba'y may signature at may thumb mark ni Lin Wei Song? Does it bear
Wala
the
po eh.
signature and the thumb mark?
Picture lang po.
But I think, Mr. Chair, we can request for a copy of the complete essential pages of the passport with the embassy, if that will be possible.
We will write to the embassy to be able to access these records.
And it is important, Mr. Chair, that we include that page which bears the signature and the thumb mark of the bearer of the passport.
COMSEC, please take note.
We have other documents pertaining to Alan Lim, Secretariat, which we can flash and share. So we can ask Ms. Rose Nono if she's willing to confirm that the same is her husband.
Mr. Chairman,
Yes, Congressman Gonzales.
may tanong lang po ako kay Rose Donolim. Ma'am, noong November 1st, kasama niyo si Alan Lim. Sabi niyo po kanina. Tama po ba?
Kasama ko po si Lin Wishong.
Kaya nga po, Alan Lim or that person, meron po ba kayong dalang picture niya ngayon para may compare natin dito?
Noong November po na pumunta po ako doon, wala po kaming picture.
Kung wala
Pero
kang
may mga
pic-
pictures po ako na kasama siya.
Meron ka bang dalang picture dyan ngayon para may compare lang natin yung mukha ng asawa mo na pinakita sa screen at saka yung dala mo?
I'll check Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman.